her husband either. This dire situation triggers another argument among the crew as they look for someone to blame for the malfunction. Jason takes a moment to cry in private, and once he's calmed down, he breaks up all the arguments and reminds his crew their priority is to survive. Each person is assigned a repair to work on, but when Ava and Sasha go to check on the gyroscope that aids in the station's navigation, they find it missing. That's not the only weird thing happening. Sasha keeps touching his face because he feels something bothering him under the skin, and there are some weird groaning noises coming from one of the walls. Yet another argument begins because half of the crew doesn't want to break a wall and release something dangerous, but they don't have any other choice. As soon as they take the panel off, they are shocked to find a woman named Mina Painful stuck among the wires. Nobody knows who she is, but she mentions Ava's name. The crew immediately cuts all the wires and takes Mina out to take her to the infirmary, where they put her to sleep so that Monk can take care of her without more pain. Meanwhile on Earth, Michael wakes up in the middle of the night when he feels the whole house shaking. Looking through the window shows him lots of explosions outside, and when Michael checks his phone, he sees messages from everyone freaking out over a possible European invasion having reached the USA. Then Michael checks the internet for news, and while the government swears it wasn't a nuclear weapon, they still won't tell what caused the explosions. Michael calls the hospital he works at to see if he's needed, and he gets flabbergasted when he hears the actual facts about what's happening. Back in the station, the crew is arguing again. The gyro is missing, the system is still scrambled, and a mysterious woman appeared inside the wall, so they feel completely lost. Jason tells everyone to go back to work on the repairs since they're still the priority, but Ernst asks Ling to meet him in the X deck in 10 minutes to see if they can take control of the situation because he's done with Jason's orders. This is overheard by Sasha. While trying to fix Shepard, Ernst snaps and yells at Ling, who quickly puts him in his place and reminds him they're a team. Meanwhile in the rec room, the foosball is moving on its own. In the greenhouse, Gordon discovers the worms are gone. Sasha keeps obsessing with his skin and looking at his face in the mirror, thinking he can see something crawling inside him. Suddenly, his left eye moves on its own, and Sasha begins creepily talking to himself.